If you are trading binary options, then this video is going to be extremely helpful for you, because in this video I'm going to give you few knowledge that is actually you will not find it anywhere else. Okay, most people, they don't want to make profit. Okay, they just want to trade. I have seen it, I have faced it, I have faced it in my earlier days too. And if you are trading with the mindset of just trading, then you are never going to make profit, that is for sure. But if you know how the market actually works and create your own strategy that actually works for you, then that is going to be extremely helpful for you in your trading journey. So watch this video very carefully, don't be lazy, because the information that I'm going giving you through my YouTube channel are extremely beneficial if you are not able to make profit while trading binary options. And if you are using pocket option, then there is one more facility that is called social trading, which you can use to copy other people's trade. And I have my own UID. You can copy that UID, and whenever I make trade, and you will be copying those trades automatically in your account. You can join my free Telegram channel and see the latest instructions there on how you can start to copy my trades. I only make $200 per trade in each trade, so you don't need to worry about those things. About the money management, I have covered it all. So let's get into our topic. So today what happened, I was sitting to trade. Normally I always suggest everyone to use parabolic ACR indicator while trading, no matter in whichever time frame you are going to trade. I have shown in 5-second trading. I have even turned my $10 into $2,500 in my previous videos. The link of that video I'm going to give you in the end of this video, anywhere in the screen. You can watch that. Okay, and this parabolic ACR indicator is very simple. Okay, whenever the parabolic ACR dots are forming above the candles and second dot is forming, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on lower. And whenever the parabolic ACR dots are forming below the candles, and whenever this second dot is about to form, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on higher. The trade execution is this much simple with this parabolic ACR indicator. Now there is a fact: market will either go up or come down, and otherwise there is a sideways that happens rarely. But you need to focus on either the market will go up or come down, right? Now with this second dot strategy, it will be extremely easy for you to make the trades. Now, before making trade in your real account, you need to trade in your demo account firstly. My market will either go up or go down, so you just make this your strategy of second dot and see where the market is going. If the second dot is forming and lots of currency pair, if the market is going in opposite direction, then you can even take trades in that direction. I have done that today and made profit with that also. Okay, which I'm going to show you after some time. Just keep on watching and let me explain you everything properly. I'll also explain you this strategy, which is very simple. So first thing you need to do is you need to make all of this currency pair favorite by making this stars yellow, and all of this currency pair will appear at here. Now if you once you have done that much, then just select the candles and select S5 as your trading time frame. I have actually told you previously I am suggesting S5, 5-second trading time frame, but you can choose any trading time frame that you want. Now another thing you need to do is, if it is flag at here, make it clock and select S5 as your trading time frame. So this is the candle time frame. Each of these candles are forming in 5 seconds. Now your trading time frame is also 5 seconds. Once you have done that much, then just click on these indicators and select the parabolic ACR dot. Just click on it. Default setting is okay. You don't need to make any changes. Now decide the amount that you want to invest in each trade. So for this video, I'm going to show you $1,000 per trade. I have already made those trades. I have already recorded the video. I'm going to just show you that. Okay, and in this video, whenever the second dot have formed, so if the parabolic ACR dot are above the candle, then I have made trade in the opposite direction, that is above. Okay, but in real we need to make trade in the downward direction. But while I was testing in the demo account, I have saw that in lots of currency pair market was moving in the opposite direction whenever the second dot was forming, so I took the trades accordingly. However, some trades were gone in loss, that's another thing, but still I was able to make profit. Now I made $1,000 per trade. Okay, this is not a joke like $100, 200. I made $1,000 per trade because I have the confidence in this strategy. So I would suggest you to watch that video without skipping, how I am moving from one currency pair to another currency pair, how I am making the trades. Okay, now I'm waiting this timer to hit 1 second. If this timer is not available in your chart, then simply click on your in charts and enable this timer. Okay, and it will appear at here. Now what I will do is I'll show you that video. Watch that video very carefully. I'm not going to talk in that video because I have already recorded that video while I was trading, because I was confident that this trade is going to be profitable. You'll get that intuition, okay, whenever you start to experience this kind of simple strategy. As you can see here, first dot have formed. Now if second dot have formed, then I would have made trade in opposite direction, okay, and most probably here you can see I have made profit. Now I'll keep quiet and show you that video.